Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be replacing the variable valve timing intake and exhaust solenoids. So they're on the passenger side, on the right side of the car, on the left side when you're facing the engine. So you need to take this engine cover off, take the connectors off. So I have the new solenoids over here, and they come in as a package with the camshaft position actuator with the sensors. So it's a nice small package that also has the crankshaft position sensor, and it's a good price. It's the link is going to be in the description. You can get it on Amazon anytime. Nice sensors for a car that's over 200,000 miles. These are nice things you can replace. So if you also haven't watched the videos on other sensors, please check the description. The links will all be there. All the sensors will all be linked there. So yeah, let's get ahead with the video. This is for the intake, and so the straight connector is for the intake. This is the straight connector, so this would go to the back side. So get your 10mm, get your bolt off. Make sure you don't lose your bolts. You can use a flat screwdriver to take this sensor off. Once you have it off, I think now you can get this connector out easily using the same screwdriver. So here we have the connector out for the exhaust. Get the new one with the straight connector, exactly the same. Put some oil around this O-ring over here. Then put it back. And then just push it in. You're gonna hear the click sound. That means it's gone in correctly. Get your bolt. Once you have it tightly situated, put your harness back inside. Click sound, you're good. Same procedure for the other one. You're gonna need to unbolt it from the back side, which might be a bit of a challenge, but you can access it. So once we have it out, set it on the side, get the new one, put some oil on the ring, and then we're going to put the new sensor inside. Then we're going to try and push it in until we hear the pop sound. That's it. Now we know it's perfectly situated. Finally, just don't forget to put back your connector. Push it in. That click sound means it's in, tucked. Same for the intake connector. Perfect. So there you have it. 2 connectors done. Intake, exhaust, easy procedure. Got the old ones out over here. this and this. Nice replacement, a nice set. So check the link in the description, grab one for yourself, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Ciao.